Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Perk Payroll account. So if you also want to log in Perk Payroll account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in this link. You can see the link over here. Now simply press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Perk Payroll. If you do not want to type in this link, what you can do is type in Perk Payroll, log in, press enter. Now you'll be able to see various results over here. Click on the first link that you can see on the screen. You can see over here login Perk Online Payroll. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to log into your account. Simply enter your username and password. First of all, enter your username. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you want to check the password, simply click on this icon that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be able to see your password. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on the option forgot password, and after that, you'll be able to reset it. After entering your username and password, simply click on the login option, and after that, you'll be able to log into your account. Or you can also continue with Google, continue with Solo, or you can also continue with Outlook. Perk Payroll application is also available in Google Play and App Store. So you can download the application and log in. So that is how you log into Perk Payroll account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.